you ever heard a secret so juicy that you just had to tell someone? Well, today I've got a story for you about why it's always best to be discreet and never good to gossip. Ready? Let's dive in. Once upon a time in a cheerful little town, there was a girl named Lily. Lily was known as the secret keeper because she always promised to keep everyone's secrets safe. One sunny day, her best friend Emma told her a very special secret. Emma was planning a surprise birthday party for their friend Max. Lily felt super excited but also a bit itchy to share the news. She thought, what harm could it do if I tell just one friend? So, she whispered the secret to her friend, Mia. Mia promised to keep it safe, but you guessed it, she told someone else. Pretty soon, everyone in town knew about the surprise party. Max found out and was no longer surprised. He felt really sad because he thought no one cared about keeping his party a secret. Emma was upset too, feeling that her special plan was ruined. And Lily, well, she felt guilty for breaking her promise. Lily learned a valuable lesson that day. Gossiping didn't just ruin the surprise. It hurt her friends' feelings and broke their trust. She realized that it's always best to be discreet and keep secrets safe. The town forgave her, but Lily never forgot the importance of keeping her promises. So kids, remember, gossiping is never good. Keep secrets safe and always be a good friend. Thanks for listening to The Secret Keeper's Promise. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun stories. Bye for now.